guys are well. Today I'll be packing. There's not much to pack, honestly. There's possibly about maybe 7 things that really need a van. Other things in J, it's just bits and pieces. So it's not gonna take that long. See you guys in Katel. This is exhausting. These people who are always moving, changing apartments. Oh. Hi. I'm in Khalil. So I'm thinking this is where the dirty clothes will go, then the clean clothes will go that side. I'm sure everything will fit. If they don't, I'll make them fit. Gangan. So you see what I mean when I say there wasn't much to this kitchen. Like miso iphelele, this is it. So the packing won't be much of a hassle. Imagine this was the only prep space that I had from here to here. So before I got started with day 2, I had to make sure that this little one was either occupied or sleeping, or else I can just sit.
Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high, till we get the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking loud, dark room, perfume.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gonna say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. But I hate this. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the booth for empathy. Blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that. She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that nigga came home and sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. 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 You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't want justice in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't want justice. could bet.